Hello everyone, TechFairy here, with the fifth in a series of video tutorials on the basics of iMovie 10 for Yosemite. In the previous tutorial, I went over how to add pictures to iMovie, and we saw an automatic effect called the Ken Burns effect. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to modify or remove the effect. When an image in the timeline is selected, you'll notice that one of the adjustment icons above the preview window is illuminated. This is the cropping button, which controls zoom, cropping, and Ken Burns. Click the icon to begin editing the picture. There are three options available to adjust your picture's display. The first option is Fit, which simply fits the whole image to the screen, removing all animation. If you want to play the image to test the effect, or any other selection in the iMovie timeline, select what you want to play and press the / key on your keyboard. This is the key to the immediate left of the right Shift key. Unlike pressing space, which begins to play your movie wherever the cursor currently is in the timeline, and doesn't stop playing until the end of the movie, the / key begins playing at the beginning of your selection and stops at the end of it. The second option is Crop to Fill, which allows you to select part of the image to display, again without animation. To change which part of the image to display, drag the edges of the box around until you are satisfied with what is shown. Notice that as you change the size of the box, its aspect ratio remains the same. This prevents any distortion of the image. The final option is also the most complex, the Ken Burns effect. Using this option allows you to animate the image, panning and zooming as it plays. Just as in the Crop to Fill option, the boxes showing the start and end states of the image can be moved and changed. When the image plays, it will transition from the start state to the end state over the course of however long it plays for. When the start and end boxes overlap, you can switch which one you have selected by clicking once on the overlapping selection. If you spend time setting up the perfect effect, only to find that you've mixed up the start and end boxes, you can easily swap the boxes by clicking the arrow icon to the right of the Ken Burns option. Now you've learned how to modify or remove the Ken Burns effect. In the next tutorial, I'll go over adding audio files to iMovie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.